everyone, welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be making a cookie classic, Pecan Sandies. First, you're going to heat a large skillet over medium heat. You're going to add 1 cup of finely chopped pecans, stirring occasionally until the pecans are nice and toasted. Remove them from the heat completely and let them cool down. Then to the bowl of a stand mixer, you're going to add 1 cup of cold unsalted butter that's been cubed, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Use a paddle attachment and mix on medium speed until everything is nice and fully combined and nice and creamed together. Then add in half a tablespoon of some vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of rum extract. Mix again until fully combined. Then you're going to add half of your toasted pecan mixture and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix well until the dough just starts coming together. You're going to add in the remaining part of your pecans and you're going to add 1 more cup of flour, again mixing until your dough just comes together. Gather your dough on a lightly floured countertop. If it's a little dry, a little crumbly, add 1 teaspoon of water, carefully knead it with your hands, and then you're going to shape your cookie dough into a log that's about 2 inches in diameter. Wrap it in some plastic wrap and then you're going to chill your cookie dough in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Once your cookie dough has chilled, you're going to remove it from the refrigerator and you're going to cut it into slices that are about 1/3 of an inch thick. Place your cookie dough slices onto a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches of space in between each of your cookies. Bake your baking trays 1 tray at a time. You'll probably have 2 trays in an oven that's been heated to 350 degrees. You're going to bake your cookies for about 11 to 14 minutes, and the tray that's not baking, leave it in your refrigerator to continue chilling until it's ready to bake. Once your cookies are done, allow them to cool on the baking tray until they are fully cooled down. Our pecan sandies are done, perfectly crumbly and delicious from those toasted pecans. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for our next episode coming next week.